Here's some Greenwich Mean Time trivia. Subscribe. What is the abbreviation for Greenwich Mean Time? Is it A, GMT, B, GMT, GMT plus 1, or D, UTC? The correct answer is GMT. What is the time offset from UTC for GMT? Is it A, UT5, B, UT plus 1, or D, UTC? The correct answer is D, UTC 0. In what year was GMT officially adopted? Is it A, 1884, B, 1901, C, 1925, or D, 1872? The correct answer is A, 1884. What system replaced GMT in 1972? Is it A, Eastern Standard Time, B, Greenwich Mean Time, C, Coordinated Universal Time, or D, Central European Time? The correct answer is C, Coordinated Universal Time. Which longitude defines the Prime Meridian? Is it A, 0 degrees, B, 15 degrees, C, 180 degrees, or D, 75 degrees? The correct answer is A, 0 degrees. What astronomical phenomenon influences GMT? Is it A, moon phases, B, planetary alignment, C, solar eclipses, or D, Earth's rotation? The correct answer is D, Earth's rotation. What does the mean in GMT refer to? Is it A, median, B, standard, C, average, or D, mode? The correct answer is C, average. Which time zone shares the same time as GMT in winter? Is it A, C, B, BET, C, or D, PST? The correct answer is WET. What is the historical significance of the Royal Observatory? Is it A, founded in 1776, B, established GMT, C, designed telescopes, or D, discovered new planets? The correct answer is B, established GMT. In nautical terms, what did GMT help establish? Is it A, time zones, B, nautical charts, C, ship hull types, or D, navigation techniques? The correct answer is A, time zones. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.